Hello, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. Do you really want to learn English and improve your speaking skills? If your answer is yes, then you've come to the right place. This video is just for you. In this video, you'll learn useful English sentences that you can use every day. These sentences are simple, easy to remember, and are used in real-life conversations. So get ready. Practice these sentences with me, and soon you'll notice your English speaking skills improving. Let's get started. Hello. My name is Lily. I am a student. I live in a small, quiet town. My town has many trees, small houses, and friendly neighbors. Every morning the sun rises behind the hills. The sky looks orange and pink. It is very beautiful. I love living here. School is very important to me. I enjoy learning new things every day. I like to read, write, and listen in class. I also like to spend time with my friends. Sometimes we talk about our dreams and plans. I want to be someone who helps others. I want to make my parents proud. I am curious about the world. I always ask questions. Why does the sun rise? How do birds fly? Where do clouds go at night? These questions make me think. I like to find answers. I feel happy when I learn something new. I wake up early every day. I do not like to sleep too long. The early morning is quiet. Only birds are singing. The air is fresh and cool. I open my window and take a deep breath. It feels nice. I brush my teeth and wash my face. The cold water makes me feel awake. Then I make my bed. A tidy room makes me feel calm. I sometimes put flowers on my table. It makes my room bright. After this, I put on my clothes for the day. Sometimes I wear a school uniform. Other days I wear something comfortable at home. I like to start my day with a clean and fresh feeling. After I get ready, I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of tea for myself. I like tea with a little milk and sugar. The smell of tea is very comforting. I sip it slowly. Drinking tea makes me feel warm inside. Sometimes I eat a small breakfast too. I like bread, eggs, or fruits. I enjoy eating while sitting by the window. I watch the sun rise. I watch the birds fly and play outside. It is peaceful. Breakfast is not just food. It is a quiet moment to start my day. I sometimes think about the day ahead. What homework do I have? Which subjects are difficult? Which friends will I meet today? Thinking about these things while having tea makes me feel ready. After finishing my tea, I took out a book. Reading is my favorite habit. I read every day, no matter how busy I am. Sometimes I read storybooks. Other times I read books for school. Reading teaches me new words. Reading teaches me new ideas. I enjoy books about adventures. They take me to new places in my mind. I imagine I am walking in forests or sailing on a ship. Other books teach me about history or science. They make me curious. I like to learn from every page. Sometimes I read aloud. I say each word slowly. This helps me speak better. I also write down new words in my notebook. Later, I practice these words. Reading is not only fun, it is also very helpful for learning English. These daily habits make my day better. Waking up early, drinking tea, and reading give me energy. They help me feel ready for school. They help me stay calm and focused. I also feel happy when I follow my routine. Small things like clean sheets or fresh tea make a big difference. I know that little actions every day shape who I am. I want to grow into a smart and kind person. I hope my story inspires others. Even simple routines can help us become better. Life is full of learning, small joys, and little victories. I am happy to start each day with these habits. They are mine, and I love them. After my morning routine, I pack my bag for school. I take my books, notebook, and pencil case. I also pack a small snack. Sometimes I take an apple or some biscuits. I walk to school with my friends. The path is full of trees and flowers. We talk and laugh along the way. I enjoy walking and seeing the small birds and insects. The fresh air makes me feel awake and happy. At school, I meet my teachers and classmates. We start the day with a short assembly. We sing the national song and listen to important announcements. After that, we go to our classes. I like my teachers because they explain things clearly. I ask questions whenever I do not understand. During lessons, I pay attention and take notes. I enjoy subjects like English, science, and history. Math is sometimes hard, but I try my best. I also help my friends if they have questions. School is not just about studying. It is about learning to work together and understanding each other. Break time is my favorite part of the school day. My friends and I sit together under a big tree. We eat our snacks and talk about many things. We share jokes and stories. We sometimes play small games like tags or skipping. I have a best friend named Emma. She is kind and funny. We share our secrets and help each other. She encourages me when I feel sad. We laugh a lot together. School is more enjoyable because of friends like her. Sometimes we plan small projects for class. We work together on art, science, or reading projects. These activities teach us teamwork and creativity. We feel proud when we finish our work and show it to the teacher. Friendships make school life bright and fun. After school, I come back home. I change my clothes and wash my hands and face. I sit quietly for a while and think about my day. Sometimes I feel tired. Other times, I feel excited to do something new. I like to spend my evenings on hobbies. I sometimes draw or paint. I enjoy making colorful pictures. I also practice writing stories. Writing helps me express my thoughts. On some evenings, I play music or sing. Music makes me happy and relaxed. After my hobbies, I spend time with my family. We talk about our day, eat dinner together, and share stories. Family time is special to me. It makes me feel loved and safe. Before going to bed, I sometimes read another book or plan for the next day. As the day ends, I feel calm and happy. I think about everything I did today. Waking up early, reading my books, going to school, spending time with friends, and enjoying my hobbies. Each small moment made my day special. I realized that even simple routines and little habits can make life better. Learning new things, helping others, and enjoying small joys are very important. I feel grateful for my family, my friends, my teachers, and my little town. They all make my life beautiful. Before going to sleep, I close my eyes and dream about tomorrow. I imagine new adventures, new lessons, and new smiles. I know that each day is a chance to grow, to learn, and to become a better version of myself. Life is like a story. Every day is a new page. I am excited to fill my pages with happiness, learning, and love. And I hope that by following my small routines and enjoying the little things, I can make each day meaningful and bright. Good night. Tomorrow is a new day, and I am ready for it.